All right, welcome sixth grade. It's hard to believe this is our last flipped classroom session. So today in class, we are doing our review for our perimeter area and volume chapter final test. We did our quiz corrections last week. For today, you had the assignment of going through and doing practice chapter test numbers 1 through 11. So that's something that we are going to be reviewing in small groups and kind of going over today. When you get done with that, you're also going to get back a mid-chapter check too. And so you're going to have a chance to go through that for review as well. And then the third thing, the test that you're going to take is a standardized test in that it is A, B, C, D, multiple choice for answers. And so if you're watching this video, that means you've gone through your practice chapter test and you've gone through your mid-chapter check in small groups. And so what I did is I printed off the practice test, which we don't normally, or test practice, which we don't necessarily always do. This is not going to lie, it's kind of hard, pretty difficult. So there's going to be some, good discussions hopefully that go on within your group. So the sheet that you're going to get is from page, it'll say 592 on one side and 593 on the other side. And so what I'd like you to do in your groups is to talk about the answers. You can do your work on a whiteboard if you want to. You don't have to write on the paper. You're not going to turn it in. It's not graded, anything like that. But I want you just to have a discussion about them. So for 592, the answers should be this. So you might want to pause it right now so that you can talk about what the answers should be and then do so as you go on. So on page 592, your test practice, number 1, the answer should be B, 4 times n divided by 2. Should be B for number 1, 4 times n divided by 2. For number 2, the answer should be 256. Number 3, the answer should be F, which means diameter is the same as 1/3 times C, or circumference. Number 4 should be B. C is the same as A minus 2B. Number 5, the ratio is 3 to 4, and that's something we didn't really talk about a whole lot. So if you want to skip through number 5, you can do that. Number 6 should be G, 2 times 5 times 8 plus 2 times 5 times 3 plus 2 times 8 times 3. That answer again is G. And then number 7, the answer is D, 81 3/4 of an inch. You can also go on to the problems on page 593. If you get that far, we'll talk about those answers in class. I'm thinking that this will probably be enough to get you through with those other 2 things that we're doing as well. So we'll talk to you later. Thanks for partaking in the flipped classroom experience. I hope you enjoyed it. I enjoyed it, and hopefully we can have good information about using this teaching method going forward. Thank you.